guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is tomorrow night. It is Christmas, as you all know. I'm so excited. My mom and my dad is in the room wrapping the presents, and I'm filling up the cookie bin. So come with me. Oh. Nope, I'm gonna sit on the floor. Which one is in the way? Then I can delivery for. Okay, you guys. Wait, I want to let you. No, put the cookies in. Everything. Okay, you guys. First, we have the cheese and onions. The cheese and onions. Next is the new flavor. I don't know what it is called. The flavor is sweet and monkey barbecue. Smoky sweet. I'm reading monkey. 2, 4, 6. The cookie bin is almost full.
So we might have a problem.
But we have to put the old ones in the. Next is the cheesy crackers. They're very good. Yeah? Okay. I don't know.
Er is een van daai ander. Dis myne.
Hier.
Nee. Ek gaan maar so twee van hierdie.
Nee, wat maar alles.
3 nee. So twee van hierdie.
Okay.
Chappies.
Van hierdie beef cookies.
Yes, die lekker. Hulle brand net 'n bietjie, maar hulle is lekker.
Hoor julle?
Huh?
Jou ma het klaar my pakkie in my sak gesit.
Bruh. You just took it and then you gave it back. No, it's gonna be too full.
It is gonna be this ones, the fish ones. Deep sea fish. No! Wow!
Stuck.
Then is the fruity chutney one. This one is very good.
Meantime, it's the best one between them all. No! Don't do that! You know these are plastic. Go eat.
My sister says I have to do ASMR. Is that good enough?
I'm just joking.
YOLO.
That actually looks pretty.
Do you even know what YOLO means?
You only live once.
Yes.
There's like the biggest space on earth open right here and you're not using it.
Okay, so this is our cookie bin. Yeah, it looks good. Now I have to close it.
You or me?
Me.
I don't know.
Okay, you go put it away.
No.
But I go throw away the papers.
No.
Okay, but that's all for tonight. You guys, I'm so excited for tomorrow night.
Not tomorrow.
Tomorrow night.
Oh yeah, tomorrow.
You see? Yes, but I want to show you what my BF got me today.
Just gonna.
Okay, so this one is, I'm gonna show you that last. Okay. He got me a cute bath bomb. He got me a cute bath bomb. And then, wait. It smells so good. You guys, it's not because I stink, because his mother picked it. His mother is very sweet. He did some of the work, but then he got me a body wash. This one I always wanted. It's so cute. And it's pink. Let me show you. You see, it's pink. I always wanted a pink body wash. And then his mother thought it would be very cute to give this and this. That's very cute, actually. I love it. And then he got me this chocolate is as big as my head. I'm gonna eat it tonight. It's 32 pieces of chocolate.
Well, I need 16. No, I'm just joking.
Let's
smell this. It smells so good. This one smells good. I'm just reading. Goodness.
And then his mother made me this picture. My sister is irritating me and she's touching all of my gifts and opening everything. She's irritating me.
Oh my
That's all that I wanted to say, but bye. See tomorrow.